G'day folks, my name's Jaiden Drought with the Farm Trader magazine. Here we are, just outside Methven, as you can see with the beautiful scenery behind us. We're here at Bruce Turpin's farm, 400 hectares, run split with 200 hectares as a dairy farm and 200 hectares as a cropping farm. So what they do is they run the effluent through into a pump system. It pumps it up to a solid separator, and then they use this Ktwo Evo 1400 behind us here to spread that the solids out of the separator onto the cropping ground, so they're really utilising all of that nutrients from the dairy farm. A couple of key features, the reason why they chose this one is it's got scales, this machine, with the in-cab RDS monitor. And what that allows it to do is obviously weighs the amount of material in the machine. They can then set their forward speed and also what the amount of effluent that they want on the paddock. So at this case it was 6 tonne per hectare. So they work that all out. The machine does its thing with, you just need to literally open the tailgate and it'll tell you if you're going too fast. It sets the force speed so that your target weight can be achieved. A couple of key components of it is it's running 4 lots of 16mm chain, so 2 separate lots of slotted bars. What that does is increases the amount of material that it can move, and obviously with these sort of machines, with that real heavy effluent, it can be very, very hard on the drive and also on the chain. So definitely a lot of strength there. We've also got the large 10 stud axle here with the single wheels. So what that does is it allows a lot of the weight to be transferred back onto the tractor. You've also got less rolling resistance, so these things travel over the ground a lot better, and particularly in the wet you don't get the sledging that you can often get with the tandem axle. The rear cover on the back of the rotors means all that material goes down and is spread further with the large rotors at the bottom. They're also hardened, so obviously you never know, sometimes, not through the separator obviously, but in other applications, what's in the effluent, and so that just protects the machine. It runs at 1000 PDO, it's got a slip clutch so that obviously if anything does get jammed up, you're not going to, and shear bolts, you're not going to run too much damage and start smashing gearboxes and bits and bobs. But so this machine is 1400, 14 tonne, just over 21 cube when it's maxed out. We got about 9 tonne in here today of the solids, although that really squeezes the water out. So when it's a bit wetter material, you can get that 14 or 15 tonne in, particularly with the hungry boards, and it does seem to spread a little bit better with the wetter material. But the beauty of these rear discharge machines is that you can spread that drier sawdust-like material, which some of the other competitors struggle with. So check out the upcoming review in Farm Trader magazine.